Good morning, Palpation Nation. It snowed. It's like a snow-nado out there. It's a snow-a-cane. Okay, let's go rescue Finny. He ran away. I can't see anything. I can't even open my window because there's so much snow. Oh, it's nasty out there. Okay, Palpation Nation, what do we got going on today? Today I have a feedlot consult, just doing beginning of year protocol reviews, and then I have some little bit of donkey work to do. So this afternoon, I think Sienna and I are gonna head out to, it's a cattle producer, but they have donkeys, so I do their donkey work. We're heading out to preg test, I think 3 or 4 donkeys, and I was gonna say semen test donkeys. No, certainly not semen testing donkeys. We will be, what are we gonna be doing? Castrating. We'll be castrating the donkeys today. It's snowing. Oh, I just saw a White Walker. Yeah, I got Sienna picked up. How was your drive to work today, Sienna?
Horrendous.
Did you almost die?
A couple times. It definitely made the top 5 most horrendous.
Are you just gonna stay the night?
Oh. I'm hoping it'll be plowed and stuff.
I don't know. Hey, Sienna and I are off to do the donkey preg test and the donkey castrations. I can't see anything.
So, yeah.
Oh, he's waving.
Oh, he's waving. But how far can he see? Like, he can't see much further than us. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. Then west.
What in the actual...
That is a road somewhere.
I just want to get off of this road.
That's true. Remember that time I said, why isn't the donkey brake check canceled?
Oh, okay, that's a little better. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have abandoned the donkey castration, so this probably won't even become a vlog today. Just a personal record. So we are not going to castrate those donkeys. My truck is overheating. We're not going to preg test donkeys. We rescheduled everything. We are just trying to survive now. We're driving back towards town. We've called a farmer. He's moving the tractor out of his shop, and we're gonna take a look at the truck when we get a chance. But it is insane out, and my truck is still overheating. Getting hotter, it's getting hotter. Right there. That is the radiator hose. And that's a Y splitter going back to heat my vent box, and it just smashed. Good thing you
I look in here.
Stay out of my gas hole.